Students, before starting median, we will solve one question in which we have to find missing frequency if mode is given. Okay, I am taking this example. If the mode of the following data is 45, we have given mode and find x and y given fi is equal to 50. That means some of the frequencies also given, that is 50. We have class and frequencies in which x and y are two frequencies which are missing. We have to find these two frequencies, and we have also some of the frequencies is 50 and the mode of this data is 45. Students, when we have given the mode is 45, that means our model class will be this one, 40 to 50. So this class will be the model class. We will write here model, or we will write in this side model class. This is the 12. This is the frequency of the model class, that is f1. Frequency of the preceding class, that is f0, and frequency of the succeeding class, that is 10. It is f2. Class size of the model class, that is 50 minus 40, that is 10, and the lower limit of the class is 40. We will write, since fi is equal to 50, it is given. So what is the sum of these all frequencies? We will write 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8 plus x plus 12 plus 10 plus 4 plus y is equal to 50. Got it? Now 4 plus 8, 12 plus 12, 24 plus 10, 34 plus 4, 38 plus x plus y is equal to 50. That means x plus y is equal to 12. It is our first equation. Now mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So mode is also given, that is 45. So we will write 45 is equal to, lower limit is 40. Here we can write L 40 plus f1, that is 12 minus x upon 2f1, 2 into 12, that is 24 minus f0 x minus f2, that is 10 into h, that is 10. Clear? Now 45 minus 40, that is 45 minus 40 plus. स्टूडेंट्स अभी एक चीज देखो, आप 45 माइनस 40 तो कर सकते हो, लेकिन आप डायरेक्ट 45 अपॉन 10 नहीं कर सकते। हम यहाँ पे 45 माइनस 40 करने के बाद हम यहाँ पे अपॉन 10 लिख सकते हैं, इज इक्वल टू 12 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 24 माइनस 10, 14 माइनस एक्स. It can be possible. Okay. Now 45 minus 40, that is 5 upon 10, that is 1 upon 2. Here 1 upon 2 is equal to 12 minus x upon 14 minus x. Now we will go with cross multiplication. So 14 minus x is equal to 24 minus 2x. Clear? So minus x plus 2x is equal to 24 minus 14. Here x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Now put this x is equal to 10 in equation number 1. Putting x is equal to 10 in equation 1. What we have? 10 plus y is equal to 12. Now y is equal to 12 minus 10, that is y is equal to 2. So answer, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 2. So in this way you have to solve how to find missing frequencies, that is x and y, or in place of x and y you can get f1 f2, okay, or a b c, anything you will get. So the students, pause the video to be noted down.